have done many drop tests on the channel, but today is special. What's up guys, so today we'll be drop testing the iPhone 13's durability with the all new Devil cases. They reached out and challenged me to do a drop test on my brand new iPhone 13 that I just bought today. We're gonna have some epic drop test action, but before we get into that, let's unbox and take a look what they have to offer. Again, big thanks to Devil Case for sending this stuff out and also sponsoring this episode. There's so many cases that you can buy for your phone, but it's always hard to find a case that's not only 10 by 10 with the design but also super durable. So first up, right off the bat, I like their paper packaging, which is obviously good for the earth. Inside the packaging we have the Pro TPU Devil cases, and they come with a bunch of different custom skins and they are completely customizable to your own taste. So depending on what you like, they offer a ton of options, over 2,000 varieties to choose from, which is amazing. I really like this map of England transparent case, which actually goes really good with the color of the iPhone. We've also got the neon option as well, looking really glowy and vibrant. There's also a racing wheel pattern, and another one of my favorite is the snake and skull combo. Once again, you have the ability to customize the skin on the back as well as choose the color of the buttons for your liking. Now the print on the back feels solid. The overall feel of the case is great in terms of how it fits in the hand without adding any extra bulky weight to it, giving you protection and premiumness in one package. Now they also sent me out their brand new Guardian series of cases that are specifically designed for some high level protection. We've got the Guardian standard case, which comes with the military grade protection, antibacterial back with the magnetic sport. For those who prefer something cleaner, it's got that clean transparent look going on, so you get to see the full color of your phone, as well as that little bit of customization with that camera ring and the keys. Now finally, we have the Guardian Pro case with the anti-slippery surface, which means that it's just gonna fit really good in hand. Again, military grade dropped as standard, antibacterial back, and of course looking really good in this brown color. Personally, this might just be my favorite case. Okay, enough chit chat, let's start some drop test action. And of course, for this I picked up the brand new iPhone 13 in red color, risking this brand new phone, but I trust Devil cases. Hopefully we won't have any damage to the phone. By the way, I'm a tall guy coming at 6 feet 3 inches, so the drops would be a bit more intense. For total protection, we're gonna use Devil case's amazing screen protector. It comes with all the guides and the tools right from the packaging, so you can just install it in a few seconds. Later, we will also apply the color camera rings, which by the way look great on this iPhone for that added camera lens protection. Okay, first up we have the Guardian case on, and let's see if the phone can survive some rock drop action. Assessing the damage, and no surprise, this was expected. The phone is completely fine, so is the case. Let's jump towards our Pro TPU styling cases and try some front-facing action and see what happens. Alright, taking a look at the damage, and honestly I expected some damage, but surprisingly no issues at all. It looks fine. Moving on to my favorite map of England case, let's have some spin drop. Looking at the damage, and surprisingly it's looking all good. No damage sustained, everything is fine. Alright, let's step it up with some concrete action, starting with the helicopter spin drop test with one of my favorite neon cases. And before this I applied the rings just in case. Alright, looking at the major impact which happened around the camera bump, you can see the rings have taken all the impact. There's a crack there, but the actual camera lens is all fine. No damage to the camera itself or to the case or to the phone. Is looking good. Moving on, we're gonna try the Guardian Pro case, one of my favorite of course, from the back. And as expected, Guardian case, they are really good with the durability, so no issues whatsoever. Final drop of the day, it's time to go full front facing with some good momentum. Okay, that third was brutal, and you can see the screen protector was able to take all that damage. We do have that crack going on, but the actual screen of the phone is completely fine. No issues with the display, touch is working fine. So I gotta say, with the more intense crazy drops, it's nice to have the screen protector on. So there we have it. My brand new iPhone 13 is actually safe and sound. Thanks to the devil cases, they were able to protect it completely in all the situations that I've tried out. Having a case on your phone is really important, and thanks to devil cases for sending this stuff out. These are some incredible high quality cases with lots of options to choose from. Depending on your taste, you can pretty much do whatever you want. And again, they also provide top of the line durability. It's really hard to find cases that have both of these two aspects figured out. Be sure to check out the link in the description to order devil case for your iPhone. Again, they've got so many options even for the previous generation of iPhones. So do check out my special link which is mentioned in the description. Hope you guys have enjoyed this different kind of a video. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.